bucket to wait about 10 to 15 minutes. And I did that the first time, and honestly that just, it was okay, but I grouted in a lot more in 10 minutes than I could clean up. So what I've done is I've started to just do it in small sections and just clean up as I go. So I've just grouted in a really small section, and I've literally waited no time. I did just this small area here. I got done putting the grout in, and then I'm taking my sponge. We do not want a bunch of water on this cleanup, so I'm wringing my sponge out quite a bit. So it's not dripping at all. Not much. We don't want much water on there. And I'm just going directly over what I've just done, fairly gently, and you can kind of see it pulling out of the grout joint a little bit, but I'm not pressing on it. I'm not pressing on it enough for it to pull out of the joint. I'm just kind of getting it on there just enough so it's not setting up on the tile. And now I'm confident that you can still see a pretty good grout haze there. That grout haze, I'm really not that worried about. I'm not worried about that grout haze right now. I know that that's gonna wipe right up. The directions say at this point to wait another 60 minutes before you go and get the grout haze cleaner, or the grout haze off of the tiles. That's about it. Hopefully we'll be done with this pretty soon and be able to share the results.